Okay, go.
Hello guys, it's Jake here. I'm with Hayleen today, which is Ian's wife, of course. And today I am all right. Today I am now trying fruit-tella in the snow, walrus, polar bear, and penguin, which is Hayleen's favourite animal. Let's try it.
Come on.
Okay. You can have this one.
Polar bear.
Yeah. I got polar bear as well. 1, 2, 3, go.
Right, decide whether that's strawberry or raspberry. I think it's strawberry. Next one.
Okay. This is a walrus. Walrus,
Right.
which is blackcurrant, that isn't it? No, blackberry. Last but not least, penguin.
Can't eat that.
Really?
My favourite animal, you can't eat penguins.
They're sweets.
Mum. Can't eat
Might have
penguin.
real penguin juice in them.
Now, is it penguin strawberry or raspberry? And was the polar bear strawberry or raspberry?
The walrus is possibly the black one.
I think the penguins are strawberry and the polar bears are raspberry.
Yeah.
Does it not go by what the colour of the sweet is?
Well, they're both
They're all
very
different.
Similar. They're both similar
Are
colours.
they? Does the camera woman not get one?
Who's
No.
the camera one?
Me!
Oh, right. Got you with her.
That's fine, I'll go off on my own. I'm fine.
So that's a penguin and that's a polar bear. What? So they're very similar colours.
I'd say that's the raspberry and that's the strawberry because raspberry are usually darker, aren't they? Yeah. Polar bear. There's no polar bears left.
There's the polar bear.
You just had a
That's
polar
a
bear.
penguin. Which is the black one then? Oh, that's the water. Ah, it's nice, that one.
We'll end up eating it all at this point.
Here, put them
You know
away
what? Might as well eat it all.
now. No, because I'm going to be sick. Put them away.
Oh, because what?
Sick. Put
Oh.
them away.
That's where my phone goes.
I'll put it up and...
Trying to get into my crisp packet.
Is that it?
I'm have the phone.
Yeah. Hey?
It's too cold.
They're
The
nice.
camera woman.
Nice, then.
I could probably look at Ian's face better. And this is the better face to look at.
I wonder if this will get as many views as Hayleen's bottom.
Oh, thank you.
Climbing up the hill. Are you ready?
I could make a short and it could be just Hayleen walking. That would get views, wouldn't it, Mum?
You've got to do something daft though.
Well, cheers for watching. I hope you make sure you subscribe and like. Goodbye.